In front of me is OPPO A6x, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Start by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Security and Privacy section. Now scroll again, this time to tap on Device Unlock and hit Screen Lock over here. Now it's time to pick one of those password types: Numeric, Alphanumeric, or Pattern. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, click on Continue after 5 seconds. Next after 5 seconds, and create your login method here. If you change your mind, don't go back, just hit Use a different password type and pick it from here. 4 digits, 6 digits, 4 to 16 digits, alphanumeric or pattern. Then create it and repeat it to confirm it. If you wish to add your fingerprint right away, hit Enable in the pop-up. If you don't, select Cancel. You can always do it later in the same section of Settings over here. Anyway, let's check out if it worked. When I switch off my screen, turn it back on and swipe up, I can set pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!